Hi, this is Prop Trading Guru, and welcome to our review of the Overview Funding Program, OFP. Today, we're diving into how OFP is making waves in the proprietary trading space. Whether you're new to trading or a seasoned pro, this review will highlight how OFP supports traders in reaching their goals. Be sure to stick around for an exclusive discount code at the end. 1. What is OFP? Founded in February 2022 and headquartered in London, OFP has built a reputation for providing instant funding without the need for long evaluation processes. Instant funding. Account sizes range from $5,000 to $200,000. Leverage. Up to 1:100. Currencies. USD, Euro, GBP. OFP's customizable approach helps traders access capital quickly, focusing on trading rather than evaluation. 2. Key features of OFP's Instant Funding Program. OFP's Instant Funding Program provides a fast route to capital without evaluation. Traders can start trading immediately and withdraw profits based on their performance. Account sizes. Options from $5,000 to $200,000. Leverage and currency. Leverage up to 1:100 in USD, Euro, or GBP. Profit withdrawals. No minimum withdrawal requirements. Payouts can be requested monthly, bi-weekly, or on demand, once you meet the trader value score. Profit splits. Ranges from 26% to 80%, depending on your profits. Scaling plan. Increase account size by 25% after achieving 20% profit over 3 months. 3. Customizable trading objectives. OFP allows traders to customize their trading experience through 4 key objectives. Drawdown limits. Select from 3% daily with 6% overall, 4% daily with 8% overall, or 5% daily with 10% overall. Profit splits. Choose between 26%, 40%, 60%, or 80%. Payout cycles. Options for monthly, bi-weekly, or on-demand payouts. Account currency. Choose between USD, Euro, or GBP. These customizable features make it easy for traders to tailor the program to fit their trading style. 4. Key rules to know. There are some important rules traders need to follow. News trading restrictions. Avoid opening or closing positions within 2 minutes before or after high-impact news events. No martingale strategies. OFP does not allow this strategy for risk management reasons. Trader value score. To withdraw profits, traders must stay within their trader value score, which measures consistency. This score is calculated by dividing the profit of your best trading day by the total P&L during the period. Exceeding the trader value score won't close your account, but you must stay within the limit to qualify for withdrawals. 5. Why OFP stands out. OFP has become a top choice for traders for several reasons. No profit targets. Unlike other prop firms, OFP doesn't impose profit targets, making it more flexible. Flexible drawdowns and payouts. Traders have the option to customize their risk levels and choose how they get paid. No minimum trading days. OFP gives traders the freedom to trade at their own pace without time constraints. 6. Community feedback and payment proof. OFP has a strong and growing community of traders, many of whom have shared their success stories on platforms like Trustpilot and in their Discord community. Trustpilot reviews. Over 1,500 reviews, with most feedback praising the company's customer service, flexible rules, and positive trading experiences. Community engagement. OFP encourages traders to engage with their community, which is helpful for learning and sharing strategies. 7. Technology and trading platforms. OFP is partnered with Thunder Markets, known for its cutting-edge technology and user-friendly trading platforms like CTrader, TradeLocker, MT4, with forex pairs, commodities, indices, and bonds available to trade and leverage up to 1:100. OFP offers a robust selection of instruments to work with. 8. Educational resources. OFP is committed to helping traders grow by offering valuable resources. Market analysis videos, posted twice a week with detailed market insights. Podcasts, focusing on the trading mindset. These help traders improve their mental approach to the markets. They also offer a customized trader dashboard, giving you real-time access to your trading stats, helping you track your performance and manage risk. Final thoughts. OFP offers a fast, flexible, and accessible route to capital for traders of all levels. With no evaluation phase, customizable account options, and strong community support, it's an ideal platform for those seeking quick access to funds and a supportive trading environment. Key takeaways: no profit targets, flexible drawdowns and payouts, instant access to capital, strong community, and educational support. If you're ready to get started, don't forget to check the discount link below and join the OFP community today. Thanks for tuning in, happy trading, and see you in the next review.